Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Fiat 500 bonnet. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off. Always engage the parking brake for safety before attempting any work. While no special tools are usually needed, having a cloth handy can be useful. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe process for accessing your engine bay. Let's get started with locating the primary release. Now let's find the primary release lever. This is usually located inside the car on the driver's side. Look down by the door sill, often near the footwell or glove compartment area. You'll see a small lever with a bonnet icon. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct click, indicating the primary latch has released the bonnet slightly. This action prepares the bonnet for its final opening.
If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and give us a like. Your support helps us create more useful content. Quick recommendation: working on your car can be thirsty work, so stay hydrated anywhere with an Owala water bottle. It's a fantastic way to keep your drinks cold and accessible. You can find a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals in the video description below. Now let's get back to the video.
With the primary latch released, head to the front of your Fiat 500. The bonnet will be slightly ajar, allowing you to reach underneath. Carefully feel along the front edge, just above the grille. You are looking for a small secondary safety latch. This mechanism prevents the bonnet from flying open unexpectedly. Gently push this latch either upwards or to the side, depending on your specific model, to fully disengage it. You're almost there. Once the secondary latch is disengaged, you can now fully lift the bonnet. It should open smoothly upwards. Next, locate the bonnet support rod. This rod is typically found clipped to the underside of the bonnet itself, or sometimes near the engine bay. Carefully unclip it and insert the end into the designated hole on the underside of the bonnet or in the engine bay. This secures the bonnet in an open position, allowing you safe access to the engine compartment. You've successfully opened your Fiat 500 bonnet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.